Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today is Dolls Gone Goth. The 16th of each month, Dory's Dollies and I host the Dolls Gone Goth Challenge. And what that is your dolls that are a little edgy or spooky or goth styled. We ask you to bring those out to a theme. Today's theme is Gray Skies, Greyscale. So I asked Darren to hold the camera here a minute. I said when this line of Shadow High came out, every doll collector should have this. They go from black to white. I love them. They're just different, they're fun, and they're perfect for today's grayscale. I have some other dolls in my collection that have a little edge to them. I wanted to show them today. We're just going to scan around and show you. If you have a video today, Gray Skies, Greyscale, would you please let us know in our comments? That way we won't miss any of the videos and we can all network together. Thank you so much, Dory. This is so much fun. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.